Looking to upgrade your car's stereo without the hassle? The Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness makes installing an aftermarket stereo straightforward and stress-free. It's designed to connect your new stereo harness directly to your vehicle's factory wiring, so no cutting or splicing is needed. This harness fits perfectly with compatible Chrysler and Mitsubishi models, including popular vehicles like the 2003 Mitsubishi Montero. It plugs right into the factory harness, maintaining your car's original wiring integrity while ensuring a secure connection for your new stereo system. Many users across the United States have praised this product for its quality and ease of use. Drivers report that it worked flawlessly in their vehicles, providing a seamless installation experience without any technical headaches or damage to the factory wiring. What you get is a reliable, plug-and-play solution that saves time and preserves your car's wiring. The harness is built with durable materials, ensuring it stands up to daily use and keeps your stereo system running smoothly for years to come. If you've been hesitant about upgrading your stereo because of complicated wiring, this harness removes that barrier. It's the practical choice for anyone who wants a clean, professional installation without the risk of cutting into factory cables. Worth a look if you want to keep your vehicle's wiring intact while enjoying the benefits of a modern stereo. The harness is designed specifically for your car's make and model, so compatibility and fit are guaranteed. Try it when you're ready to enhance your driving experience with better sound and easier installation. This Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness gives you confidence and convenience, letting you focus on what matters: great music on the road. Upgrade your vehicle's stereo setup with a product that's proven, trusted, and highly rated. The Chrysler Mitsubishi factory wire harness is the smart choice for anyone serious about quality and simplicity in aftermarket audio installation.